And that would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it was.
So you have to exist eternally to exist temporal. Things are dualistic. Wherever you find one polarity, there's a polar. Wherever you find one form, there's a polarity. There's a polar opposite end of the stick.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else.
Evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirror projection.
Hertz was actually named after it. When you double the frequency, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
Because it says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend...
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's Detection, 1949. And then I like to go cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep on his back.
Chili.
Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog.